How you doing? This is Raphael Gentry on the red carpets of the 2008 Trumpet Awards, and as you can see, I'm right here with Ludacris. Oh man, this is an exciting moment. Now, you're getting honored today.
Right.
Now, out of so many nominees, how do you feel about being honored?
Man, it feels great to be acknowledged, you know, and to know that all the work that I've done is being noticed, and to understand and be leading by example, and want more individuals to do the same. Never forget where you come from. Yeah.
Now, I gotta ask you, what you working on right now? What's next for Ludacris?
I'm working on another album, of course, more movies in store, and more philanthropy.
Okay.
All of that. So, you know, there's no limit. 2008 will be yet another very successful year. So, looking forward to it.
That's but I also, man, I'd just like to thank you for that song you made, Runaway Love, because, you know, there is conscience in hip-hop. That's what we're talking about.
Thank you very much.
So I'm standing right here with Ludacris. This is Raphael Gentry.
Thank you.
May I have a picture?
Sure.
This is the cameraman right here.
One shot with Dom.
Cameraman.